Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Lorna, and I am coming to you live from my home office, bringing you a closer look at one of the best opportunities that is out today. That delves into the travel side. Now, I looked at the other company, and I looked at where I'm at right now, and where I'm at right now, basically. I'm not going to show you prices. All I can tell you is that, except I think for the special cruise deals, we have cruise lines, Bahamian cruises, European cruises, from the major players in the game, and you can earn reward credits for them. Now, what reward credits allows you to do is basically book your trip through your deals, through you saving money and booking your travel and going to your to your favorite places in the world. So you can be going to Disney World, you can go anywhere, and you can go up the street to your hotel rooms, if you have hotels right around the corner from you, and acquire points just to say you want to get away from it for a night. I used to do that sometimes. Sometimes just to get up and be somewhere. It's kind of like a mini vacation. Like I go downtown, and instead of taking that risk of, after me being partying and enjoying the libations and stuff like that, libations drinking, that I'd been taking part of, I would just walk back to my hotel room, go up there, go to sleep, and wake up the next morning and eat the free continental breakfast that they had. So it wouldn't really be a continental breakfast. Some of these places like the Marriott, they have full breakfast. You go get you some sausages and pancakes and scrambled eggs, and get full. So yeah, I think I'm gonna switch over. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if it does it. Let me see if it does it from this point. Rewards credits. Select any destination. I can't show you prices per se, but I know if I can dig into this Bahamas any day, anytime. Oh, now duration. I need 6 to 7 nights. Any port, all cruise lines, 2 passengers. So a lot of these are really, hefty. They have a lot of rewards points that you have to use up in the court, but don't worry about that. If you're doing a lot of traveling and you're making money, trust me, when you get to a point where you're making 10 grand a month and you're no longer having to report, punch a ticket, traveling becomes so much easier. So much easier. And then you'll start acquiring points. The cruises are the ones. Some week stays acquire more points than others. So it gives you a chance to get away and take your family for a vacation. Now, let me go back and do a revamp on this one passenger. If you just happen to be one individual, does it change it up any? I thought it did. Not by that much. Not by that much. But let's go from let me choose the last deal on the bunch. Sometimes if you go to the last, but like I said, it becomes a lot easier for you to travel, and these are reward points that you can utilize and apply with your flights that you have, flight miles that you have on your card, and places that you go. So basically, you're flying for free, you're traveling for free, and you're making money. So some of these are not really that long. You're booking, wow, to 2 years out Some people do that. You plan for a plan, make a plan, and make it easy on yourself. You can book a trip 2 years out or a year and a half. Yeah, a year and a half out. Some people do that. But if you're trying to book, let's say, middle of the way, not trying to do that. Maybe a year out. The closer, like I said, the farther out, it just goes along with traveling and depends on the cruise line. The further out that you plan ahead for your trips, of course, is going to be a lot cheaper on everything. Your week-long stays. Of course, I'm not going to delve into the individual hotel room, but you know, you can get these stays and see. Let me switch to rewards credits. And let's do Colorado. I picked Colorado because I think, you know, it's not because of what you think. I mean, partially it's because of what you think, but most of it is just beautiful during the wintertime. Date. Hopefully they don't show prices with this. Let's go November 1st. Let's go. Yeah, today. So you can kind of get an idea for the feel of the credits that you're going to have to find. It's not really that much. If you're going places, like I said, you get a chance to get away, utilize these credits, and that's some part that they don't tell you. This Steamboat Springs, it's 27,000 credits, an average of 3,985 credits per night, which is basically you going into your room and staying like rich people do, staying where rich people do, and living, them not knowing the wiser that you've saved money, that you've saved up points, and you've gotten your room for free, and you're staying maybe longer than what they are, and yeah, living really, really well. Let me see the star value of this. Let's see. Let's go high to low. Okay. A Ritz Carlton. Of course, as you get up in the star rating, it's going to get a little bit more pricier. Vail. Okay. I think the Kardashians stayed in Vail, Colorado when they went on one of the episodes, and it gave, you can stay pretty much an average of 21,000. So you'd have to save up, you know, a lot. But like I said, if you're traveling, going places and doing things, your whole life with this company will be travel, adventure, and spending time with your family, which we should do anyway, because days, months, years will go by fast. I made a joke in the webinar like that. I was 23 years old before I got a chance to go to Disney World. The things that I want to do with my children are the things, the chance that I didn't get a chance to do when I was, you know, coming up. And I watched the young man today. If I had any, you know, any entrepreneurial spirit, the young man, after being told so many times that he couldn't go to Disney World, he just set up and started selling cupcakes. He started selling cupcakes to take his family to Disney World. So here's what I'm saying, and I say this to say that life shouldn't be and the reason why I say that is because, one, his parents couldn't afford it. It was always finances. And life shouldn't be that. Life shouldn't prevent you from being able to enjoy. Life's decisions shouldn't be able to prevent you from enjoying your family in the way that you should. It's there for you. the days that we had as kids that were called summertime and summer vacation, that could be an everyday thing. You know, you don't have to, when people are out grilling on the 4th of July, yeah, all right, it's cool to grill, but like, for me, it's just another day. I mean, and I don't want to take away the specialness, but I mean, it's just another day. I'll go and grill, but it's just another day. I'll go and pop fireworks for my kids, but you know, it's just another day for people who have to go in and check into, you know, to a job that they do it. I go out and pop fireworks for my kids so they, you know, have fun, but it's just another day. So, you know, it's days like that I have opportunity to spend with my family. So, with that being said, this has been your boy Ferris Salon. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Don't let life pass you by. Don't let a $20 decision be a decision not to spend the $20 on something that could be life-changing and turn around and be the worst thing that you've done, be the ruination of you not being able to, you know, enjoy your life like you should. I don't care what company. I have people come to me with those health and wellness companies all the time, and as soon as they see my picture, they want to offer and throw the weight loss companies at me, and I'm like, dude, I'm not doing that. You know, weight didn't find me, I found it. I ate, so therefore I am. But the point I'm trying to make is that it's there for you to take. And I mean, when you're making money, it's, you know, the life is what you can grab it by. And if you're enjoying it, you're going places and you're showing your kids things, and you're showing not just if you're a single individual, if your life is about travel, it's about, you know, is not just about travel. If you have a desire to travel and you're not able to because your life is tagged onto a job, you know, there shouldn't be. If you're a 20-year-old individual, 20, 30-year-old individual, you shouldn't skip past the best years of your life. I tell people like this, the best years of your life are when you're discovering your early teens and your 20s. No, your late teens and your 20s. That's because you're coming into your adulthood, the earlier part of your adulthood. You're getting a chance to see what it's like, and then the, you know, later years of your 20s, you got, like, you still can pretty much go and be at the clubs and partying, but then you're starting to get in settle mode, and you start probably have a family already by then. But you know, down the line is when you start having the family and having, you know, things that you pay for and things that you want. You shouldn't want to offer your children excuses when their eyes get big and they see Disney World and they see the places, Disneyland, Disney World. It's other places out there too. And I'm not just saying Disney World, Disneyland, because I've watched, if anybody's watched, one of my favorite shows is Eating Through Carnivals or something like that. Carnival Eats. And you should be able to take your children to festivals and let them ball out for, you know, for a week or days or, you know, months and years, whatever. If you want in school, if you want to be at home and in school, in home school your kids, then you will have availability to do that without having to worry about the income coming in. So anyway, this has been your boy Ferris Saloni. I want to remind you guys, be blessed, not stressed. Always be motivated by success. And I will see you guys on the beaches of the world. And if not, whatever you're doing, I hope to see you at the bank cashing a really big check. Because why not? Peace. Also, if I did this video right, sometimes it too, but it be screwing with me. If you see my handsome face in the middle of it, subscribe, hit the subscribe thing. Watch my other two videos that, you know, that will show probably more information on the opportunity. And click the notification bell to be notified when I upload different things on business and how you can utilize different cheap ways to market your business. So with that being said, peace and yeah.